Welcome to ICI's guide on best practices for mounting and placing fixed thermal cameras in your facilities. Using the 10 following guidelines not only ensures uniformity and consistency during equipment setup, but also accurate and reliable results. Tip 1. Position the thermal camera as close to 90 degrees to the target as possible. The more you deviate from this, the more background interference you'll encounter. Tip 2. Watch for objects behind the camera. Avoid placing the camera where background objects reflect added thermal energy onto the target. This can lead to false readings. Tip 3. Be mindful of the scene. Avoid mounting locations where the camera sees reflected, added, or non-essential targets, as extra thermal energy in the scene can affect your readings. Tip 4. Be aware of environmental conditions that may affect thermal cameras. If your camera will be deployed in harsh conditions, consider an enclosure. Users may need to consider heating or cooling options, install IR transmissive windows, and more. Tip 5. Watch for vibrations. Avoid mounting your camera on structures prone to excessive vibrations, as this can affect image quality. Tip 6. Consider your facility's infrastructure. Ensure access to power and other required components. Think about the distance to the power source and the PCs, as well as cabling and cable length requirements. Tip 7. Consider the camera's distance to the target and the optical horizon field of view, or the HFOV. Where is the measurement area? Does the camera need to cover multiple targets? Answering these questions can help narrow the list of potential mounting locations. Tip 8. Choose appropriate mounting options by deciding if your camera needs a permanent, temporary, or mobile-based solution. Your facility's needs may vary, and different mounting options may be required for different areas. Tip 9. Maintenance and accessibility are essential components of successful installations. Regular care and cleanliness keep camera systems in operation and help to assure asset uptime. Choose a location that is easily accessible and see our video on thermal camera maintenance. Tip 10. Remember to familiarize yourself with ICI's recommendations and guidelines provided in the product user manual to understand any specific requirements for your camera model. The placement and mounting of your infrared camera can make or break its performance. By following these 10 tips, you'll ensure your fixed infrared camera works at its best, providing accurate and reliable results for your facility. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Contact your ICI sales representative with questions and visit us online at www.infraredcameras.com.